What's going on, everybody? This is Cack and Balls here with a unboxing video. This particular video, normally I do car audio stuff, but today we're doing something a little bit different. My oldest son is wanting to learn a musical instrument, so I figured, well, we'll go ahead and get him a guitar. And this is from the Home Shopping Network, and I couldn't really find any videos on YouTube about it, so I figured I'd end up making one. We do not have the guitar yet, so I cannot test it out. I do not know how to play a guitar, so this is more or less just kind of an overview or a informational video on the Keith Urban 10-watt guitar amplifier. Basically what I'll do is I'll go over some measurements, and we'll just kind of take a look at it. If you're new to the channel and you like unboxing stuff and you're into old car audio stuff, or just audio stuff in general, I've got a lot of videos on older car audio type stuff, so this is new territory for me. So anyway, getting into it here, we have a cable for your guitar to your amplifier. So once again, I'm not familiar with amplifiers for guitars and stuff, so I cannot be of very much help for sound quality and stuff like that. So here we have user manual. We have guitar amplifier. Thank you for purchasing the guitar amplifier. Please read this manual thoroughly. Made in China. So just kind of a brief overview. We have, let's see if this will zoom in here. There is our input, drive/gain. Ends up saying drive or clean. Master volume equalization, which would be bass and treble, on off, and it's got a headphone input. So there's that. Zoom back out here into this area. Go ahead and open this up. Once again, these things, they're usually, I think, about 20 bucks on the Home Shopping Network. These were a lot cheaper. I actually have 4 of these. I'm going to end up having one for myself and then one for my son. I figured that it would be maybe fun just to kind of learn to play the guitar with him and go from there. I don't know what size speaker is in this. Being a car audio guy, grab my flashlight here. Looks like it may be a 5 1/4, maybe a 6 1/2. I don't know if that actually will show up. Yeah, you can see it on the camera there. At least the opening. There's looks like 2 ports down at the bottom here. So overall height. Let's take a look here. Let's do it this way. Overall height, we're going to be looking at about 10 1/8 inches tall. Width-wise, cabinet-wise here, we're looking at about 9 1/4 inches wide. And then depth, we're going to be looking at tape measure here. It's going to be right about at 6 1/8 inches deep. So not a bad little looking amplifier. It's got some weight to it. Obviously, the cabinet and stuff. Knobs twist nicely. It's not sticking or anything like that. The button's real firm to press in. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. Like I said, my main thing for the purpose of this video is just to give you an idea for size-wise. Other type things, here's a hammer. Your typical everyday hammer. Just kind of give you an idea. I'll turn this sideways. For those people that don't have hammers and they're wondering, well, I don't know, I don't have a hammer. How am I supposed to gauge what the size is? Well, let's go. Here's a ruler. We'll just use a straight edge ruler here. And if you're watching this and you're not from the United States, then this is 12 inches long, which is a foot. I don't know what it equates to any other way. But there you go. Scoot this back. So it is not quite a foot tall. Width-wise, we've got this here. And then depth-wise, about 6 inches, give or take. We've already covered that. And to go over once again, trying to find just random things in my garage here that I can kind of show you the size of the different things. How about, heck, I don't know. How about, I don't know. Anyway, so there you go. Overall view. Like I said, I don't have an amplifier to test it out with. I don't have anything to test the audio out with. I'll plug it in here real quick. Power switch on. Turn the volume up. There's no kind of, there's the, no kind of hum or anything like that. Whenever you put it on the dirty, it does have a little bit of static there, but otherwise all the way up, everything all the way up doesn't have any hum or anything like that. So overall, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, you have any questions, let me know. Eventually, maybe I'll do a follow-up video if there's, once we get a guitar and hook it up. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, let me know.